Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how I organize my DVDs by making somewhat of a floating media shelf from a 6x8. This only took me about 20 minutes to put together and cost under $10. Here's what you'll need. I'll also add a link for the dimensions and full list of where to get the supplies. I used a strong tie to attach my shelf to the wall, and this is actually somewhat visible, but I didn't mind since most of it will be covered anyway. If this bugs you, you can substitute it with a thin panel of plywood, and if you paint it to match your wall, it will literally look like your shelf is floating. Okay, to begin, apply wood glue to the end of your long piece of wood. Prop it up or have someone help while you nail it to your small piece of wood. I use my Ryobi brad nailer for this, but you can also use nails or screws. Once you've secured one end, follow the same steps to attach the second small piece of wood to the other end. Then, to complete your shelf, attach another long piece of wood on the other side and lay it down to attach your strong ties. I use small screws to attach one tie at the top and one at the bottom of the shelf. Then paint your shelf, and that's it!